Hey, what's up, guys? It is 28th of August. Um, so today I'm leaving Irkutsk going to Novosibirsk, a different city. I'm on a train now. Man, so last night, it was a Saturday night last night, so I went out for drinking. Went to a couple bars, and I met a lot of people there, at the bar, and some Russian girls. They offered me a lot of vodka. Well, you probably saw the video. They were hiding vodka outside on the street. I mean, in the bushes. You're not allowed to drink on the street here in Russia. But so they were just hiding it in the bushes, and then I had a lot of vodka. Got pretty much fucked up. Was so drunk last night. I don't know why my body, my hip is aching. Kind of hurts bad. So I'm gonna be on a train this time for 30 hours to Novosibirsk. And probably gonna stay there for one night. I don't know, because I'm trying to get to Moscow as soon as I can. So we'll see about that. 30 hours, I don't even want to think about it, but just gonna try to sleep a lot because I haven't slept much today. So yeah. Oh, and today, this time, I'm taking a second class. I've been taking a third class, from Vladivostok, but this time I'm taking a second class. So, because there was no third class, it was all booked out. So yeah, it's more comfortable. It's I got my own compartment. So yeah. Oh, looks like we're leaving now. Slowly. Yeah. I'll show you my compartment. So I'm with two Russian old ladies and one young girl sleeping next to my bed. So 30 hours, I'm gonna be with them, trying to be friendly, trying to talk to them with my clumsy Russian. So I'll show you how it's like. Excuse me. Right here. This is my compartment. Novosibirsk, yo! Took me 32 hours to get here. I'm gonna stay here for 2 nights and head to the next place. Alright, so I got out of the station and so I had no idea which way to go to get to my hostel. So I saw this girl sitting just by the building, and it kind of looked unhappy. But I asked her for a direction, and she said, she started crying first. And I was like, what did I do? Like, oh, right. And then I had no idea what was going on, but anyways, she tried to help me, you know. She had no idea, like she didn't know, you know, where my hostel is. So she also helped me, like asking other people in Russian to find, you know, where my hostel is. And well, eventually I got to find a way to get to my hostel. And then, well, I was just curious, you know, why she was crying. And then she told me that, well, I kind of figured that she lost a wallet, or she had no money to get back to her city. So basically she couldn't buy a ticket. That's why she was crying right in front of a station. So, well, I couldn't just leave her, you know, like she helped me. And then I can't, you know, I couldn't just say like, okay, so thank you, bye, you know, I couldn't do that. So, well, she says she needed 1,000 rubles. So I just gave that to her. I paid her 1,000 rubles. I know it could have been just fake, you know, but I don't care, you know, as long as that made her happy, you know. Well, she was happy, you know. She gave me a hug. She stopped crying, and after that, she went directly to the station. So I don't know. Well, I feel good, you know, doing something good. I mean, she helped me, so I helped her. So, you know, okay, am I going in the right direction? So yeah, feels a bit nicer now. Did something nice. You know, you gotta help each other when you need help. Yep. Right now, I still don't know which way to go, but I'm gonna ask. Okay, it should be around here. Park hostel. Okay. Good morning, guys. So I'm having a breakfast at KFC. A sandwich and hash potato and Mountain Dew. The thing about Russia, unless you ask for it, they don't get you ice inside a drink. No ice. It's okay, it's cold enough. It's a beautiful day today. So after this, gonna walk around the city. It's my last day here, so I'm taking a train later tonight to Yekaterinburg. So maybe gonna check out the theater nearby and the park. Don't have much time here, so. Alright, so it looks like I'm in the central of the city in Novosibirsk. That's over there, that building over there is the Opera House. And looks like these huge statues are the, I don't know, is that Laney again in the middle? I'm not sure. But a cool place. It's a big city, a lot of people. I'm liking it, but I'm sad that I'm leaving tonight already, so. Alright, I'm in front of Novosibirsk railway station. Right there. Trying to get a food right now to go. I'm gonna get on the train in about half an hour, so I'm getting my favorite food. I don't think it's a Russian food. It's a Uzbekistan food, is it? It's a wrap. And this, it's a good stuff. I didn't do much stuff in Novosibirsk, this city. That's because I was here only for one night. I got to see Opera House and huge statues, but other than that, I didn't do anything special. And soon, like I said, I'm gonna head to Yekaterinburg next. Same, I'm gonna be there only for one night, so gonna have to rush, trying to get to Moscow as soon as I can. Yep. Okay, so you see number 29. That's my train to Yekaterinburg, leaving at 2:50. That's a Moscow time. It's 6:50 here, and I think that number right there, 50, is the platform number, I think. All right, let's get on the train. Alright, here's my first meal in Yekaterinburg. Super hungry now. Got some mushroom rice, and meatball, chicken, and borscht. Looks yummy. Okay, so I'm at hostel now. Hostel in Yekaterinburg. Just got back here from shopping. I bought some food from a grocery store. I bought this milk, some pasta. This was only 20 rubles. So only what, like 40-50 cents? Cheap. And the meat sauce or tomato sauce. Yeah. So obviously I want to make pasta tonight. I'm probably gonna eat this for breakfast too. Oh, and I'm not exactly sure. I believe it's spam. Let's check the smell of it. Oh shit. Yeah. Spam, I think. Let me go check it. Hey, привет, Никита. Hopefully I won't mess it up. It's just a pasta, so. So yeah, I fucked it up. Well, first of all, this was not spam. This was some sort of a fish, which is not really my my thing. And the pasta, I don't know. It took me a while to boil the water. So I don't know. It's just. Okay, I don't know if this is from pasta or the fish I ate. I'm having a stomachache right now. I keep going to a bathroom. It's just fuck. Well, at least I'm now on a train now, so that's good. Oh damn. On my way to Yekaterinburg station. Finally heading to Moscow today. You wanna see my sunglasses? totally fucked up.